Hiking boots are critical to your comfort and performance on the trail, but this no longer means a stiff and burly model that will weigh you down. Besides, a good pair of hiking boots to keep your feet protected and your ankles stabilized. Now you can have lightweight hiking boots that offer various features. They're breathable and waterproof, and they fit most feet right out of the box. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Adidas Terrex Scope High GTX hiking boot. This shoe is suitable for hikes and multifunctional use. It has an enhanced grip and adiaprene support. It keeps your feet dry with a breathable Gore-Tex membrane. The stealth rubber outsole maximizes rock contact and offers extraordinary grip, while the ortholite sock liner for additional cushioning to the feet while you climb. Its L-shaped lugs bind into soft, muddy terrain, and they're spaced widely enough to shed mud. The polyurethane midsole absorbs shock, considered these best for loads below 40 pounds, and provides a bit of torsional stiffness. However, the high ankle kept us stable while side hilling and scrambling over screen fields. Next up on the list, we have the Lowa Renegade GTX Mid hiking boot. This boot uses waterproof and breathable Gore-Tex liners to keep your feet dry when you're stepping in shallow streams and hiking hard. The water-repellent nubuck leather uppers feature Cordura nylon ankle bands for comfort and flexibility. Padded and gusseted tongues relieve lace pressure while keeping out trail debris. Its full-length nylon shanks offer excellent support for long days on your feet, and polyurethane midsoles absorb shock. The external polyurethane mono-wrap frames offer lateral stability while reducing weight. However, the Vibram Evo rubber outsoles to this boot deliver excellent traction on a wide variety of terrain. Up next on the list, we have the Keen Targhee III mid-height waterproof hiking boot. The waterproof breathable membrane keeps your feet dry and comfortable all day long by allowing vapor out without letting water in. Its leather is treated with a PFC-free water repellent, so you still get the same protection without the harmful chemicals. This hiking boot's rubber outsole provides a high traction grip in muddy environments and on rocky surfaces with 4mm multi-directional lugs. Plus, its torsion stability external support shank offers support on uneven surfaces, and the injected TPU heel capture system provides next-level stability. The removable metatomical dual-density EVA footbed provides excellent arch support and cradles to the foot's natural contours. On the other hand, it comes with a low-profile upper for comfort and secure fit with a padded tongue and collar. Moving on, next on the list, we have the HOKA 1-1 Men's Tour Ultra High WP hiking boots. This boot is designed to increase underfoot stability on uneven terrain, and Vibram Mega Grip outsole rubber with 5mm lugs provides ample traction and durability. Its assured base is topped by an ultra-premium combination of leather and tough nylon that gives support around the foot and ankle, and even waterproofing keeps your feet dry. Plus, the meta-rocker geometry in the midsole encourages a smooth ride, guiding your feet from a specific step to a particular step. Furthermore, it uses Vibram Mega Grip high-traction outsoles with multi-directional lugs that offer a secure-footed grip on varied terrain. The Colombian Newton Ridge Plus waterproof hiking boot is the ultimate companion for a rigorous day out on the trail. These boots combine durability and comfort seamlessly while remaining lightweight and stylish. It features a waterproof mesh and a leather exterior to protect from trail to mountain range. The advanced traction outsole works hard to tread grip in every environment to prevent slipping. A signature lightweight midsole provides long-lasting comfort and superior cushioning for impact absorption and high-energy return. Plus, its OmniGrip non-marking traction rubber outsole provides high grip across a wide variety of terrain and versatile 3-season use. Additionally, it comes with a lace-up closure for an adjustable, secure fit, and the dual-zone winter tread pattern ensures solid footing on surfaces such as ice and snow. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Scarpa Men's Zodiac Plus GTX hiking boot. This boot comes with suede Perwanger leather uppers, with waterproof and breathable Gore-Tex performance comfort to help keep feet dry. The sock fit construction reduces bulk and creates a snug fit. It uses rubber bands for performance and protection. Besides, its asymmetric lace system provides a precise fit. This boot comes with polyurethane and triple-density EVA in the midsoles, optimize weight and performance. On the other hand, its Vibram drumlin soles provide traction and edging on the rock when you're scrambling or boulder hopping. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.